Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card details on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So this is very easy. So you want to press Windows plus R on your Windows PC and it will bring up the run option here. And right here you want to simply go ahead and type dxdiag. Right, you'll find it within the description of this video as well, but it's DXDIAG and just simply click an OK. In some cases, you'll find a pop-up. You just need to click it OK. If that does not appear, it will open up by itself. But this is going to open up the DirectX diagnostic tool. And you want to go ahead and check under the displays option. If you have multiple display, you will see both of them. If you have just one, you will see one display option there. But if you click under those display, you will see the display option here. I bet mine is under the display too. As you can see here, it is showing the NVIDIA GeForce RTX, and it's also giving you all the details. So you have the manufacturer here, you have the chipset, you have the DAC type, as well you have the device type, which is basically showing you the total memory, the display memory, and you also have the shared memory. Right, so guys, all information, you can even scroll down and find additional information here for your display. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and find your graphics card details on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.